Hello, future TIES Titans, and hopefully future Art 1 students. I am so excited to introduce y'all to junior high art. Mr. Reyes and I, Miss Mills, have the honor of teaching you everything you need to know in order to become the most talented artist. We have Art 1 available for 6th and 7th graders, Art 2 for 7th graders only, and high school credit for 8th graders only. I currently teach Art 1 and Mr. Reyes teaches the advanced classes. I personally have been teaching for 3 years and Mr. Reyes has been teaching for 20. Together, we have knowledge in a variety of mediums and plan to set you up for success. So, you might be wondering, what are some things that you're going to be doing in art? Students will learn fundamental skills and techniques. They will also experience a wide variety of projects such as clay, painting, drawing, sculptures, you name it, we're probably going to do it. And the best part is, you really don't need a ton of skills. Mr. Reyes and myself will teach you everything you need to know. So luckily, there are no course fees for art. However, you are expected to purchase supplies and have them every day. Some things include a sketchbook, a pencil, a nice eraser, a sharpener, and a brad folder. You may be asked to purchase other supplies for various other projects throughout the school year. Now, let's talk about grades. This is something that separates elementary from junior high art. In elementary, you receive conduct grades in the form of E, S, or N. In junior high, you will be graded on all your art assignments. Although you will not have written or multiple choice tests like you'd see in math or science, you will have homework. Yes, you will have homework in art. The reason behind assigning homework is to encourage y'all to practice your skills outside of class. Art, just like any fine arts elective, is not an easy A. Make sure you are willing to put in the time and effort it takes to master your craft. Some examples of graded material are projects, vocab quizzes, progress checks, artist statements, daily warm-ups, and daily participation in cleanup. Let's talk about art contests. Now, art contests are just like sports. Not everyone will get to compete in these art contests. You may have gotten the opportunity to exhibit your work at some of the following places at the elementary level, but now you get to level up. In junior high, you can compete in art contests that go beyond Katy, Texas. Your artwork can be seen by those across the state, and if you're lucky, the entire United States. Some local shows you may be familiar with are the ESC Display, the Katy ISD Spring Art Show, and Rodeo. A competition you may not be familiar with is Junior Vase. This is a UIL contest. If selected, you will create an original piece of artwork, talk with judges about your creation, and hopefully win some medals. Those who get to compete in these contests will be invited or selected by Mr. Reyes or myself. However, there will be plenty opportunities for other contests that anyone who would like can enter. The following slide showcases some Art 1 student examples. If any of these projects pique your interest, then art is the right elective for you. Keep in mind, Art 1 focuses on techniques and being introduced to a variety of mediums. The following slides showcase the progression from skills in the Art 1 course all the way to the high school credit course. As students move through the program, they build their art skills as well as their problem-solving skills. Art also helps foster a safe environment to make mistakes and learn how to improve. Students won't be perfect at everything at first. Patience and practice are key to becoming a successful and confident artist. Last but not least, what if you don't think you're good enough to be in art? Okay, well, first and foremost, that's crazy talk. Anyone can be and is an artist, no matter the age or the skill level. Mr. Reyes and myself wouldn't even have jobs if every kiddo who walked through our doors were skilled at everything. We cater to students who are willing to put in the time, dedication, and effort to achieve greatness. We look forward to meeting you next year and hope that you consider taking art here at Ties Junior High. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.